Emerging technologies are new and advanced technologies that are developing rapidly and making human life easier, faster, and smarter. These technologies help in communication, education, healthcare, transportation, and many other fields. Artificial intelligence, also called AI, is a technology that enables computers and machines to think and make decisions like humans. AI can learn from data, solve problems, and perform intelligent tasks. Examples of AI include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and recommendation systems on YouTube and Netflix. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases, assists students in learning, and saves time by performing tasks quickly and accurately. Virtual reality, or VR, is a technology that creates a computer-generated environment where users can interact using special devices like VR headsets. VR is used in games, medical training, education, and virtual tours. It gives users a realistic experience of places and situations. Augmented reality, or AR, adds digital objects and information to the real world through mobile phones or smart glasses. 3D printing is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer using a 3D printer. 3D printing is used to make toys, tools, machine parts, and even artificial body organs for medical purposes. Robotics is the branch of technology that deals with designing, building, and operating robots. Robots can perform tasks automatically and efficiently. Robots are used in factories, hospitals, homes, and space missions. They help humans perform dangerous and difficult tasks safely. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is used to connect devices such as keyboards, mice, printers, flash drives, and cameras to a computer. Students, different technologies require different types of devices, software, and internet connections. Some technologies need high-speed internet and powerful computers to work effectively. There are different types of USB connectors and ports. They help transfer data and provide power to devices. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and is known as the brain of the computer. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit and is used for graphics and gaming performance. Today, we learned about emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D printing, robotics, USB devices, and computer components. These technologies are shaping the future and making our lives easier. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.